Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from all devices in the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on manage your account, then on security, and then tap on active sessions. And then we can tap on sign out to sign out from all devices except the one that we are using currently, and thereby making sure that the only device that has access to our account is the one that we are using currently. We can just tap on sign out and then it's going to start the process. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.